asked the new DeepSeek AI to give me a strategy with over 90% win rate, and after struggling with it a bit, tweaking and refining it, and of course adding my own twist, I came up with this one. And let me tell you, the results are insane. But that's not all. Stick around until the end because I'll also show you how to turn this strategy into a fully automated ChatGPT generated bot with alerts, all for free. Believe me, you'll thank me later. This strategy is based on the Elliott wave concept, but with a simplified twist. We're using an indicator that gives us clear buy and sell signals, helping us pinpoint entries and exits with precision. It even tells us where to place our stop loss and take profit targets, making the entire process much easier. So let's dive in and get everything set up. First, head over to the indicator section and search for the third wave indicator. Once the results pop up, look for one created by Lonesome the Blue and add it to your chart. This tool is designed to identify Elliott wave formations, particularly the third wave, which is often the most powerful. It tracks primary waves 1, 3, 5, and corrective waves A and C, while also analyzing volume to ensure that the third wave has a stronger push than the previous ones. Now, should we take every buy and sell signal that appears? Absolutely not. No indicator is foolproof, so we need confirmation before taking the trade. To optimize our setup, go to the indicator settings. In the inputs tab, set the zigzag period to 7. Then adjust the min and max retracement values to 0.2 and 0.8. After that, turn on the check volume support for extra accuracy. And finally, disable target 2 and set target 1 to 2. Alright, now that we've set up the third wave indicator, we need a trend detection tool to make sure we're trading in a right direction. Go back to the indicator section and search for 4W ribbon indicator. Add this bad boy to your chart and tweak the settings as follows. In the style tab, disable W1 and W2. Set impulse snap L3 to 90, and finally adjust the remaining WMA lines however you like. Understanding trends is key to making this strategy work. Here's the rule: if the price is staying above the 2 WMA lines, we're in an uptrend, so we'll only take buy trades. If the price drops below the lines, we're in a downtrend, meaning we only take sell trades. This keeps us trading with momentum rather than against it. Now let's go over the trade execution. Suppose we get a buy signal, but the price is still below the WMA lines. Do we take trades? Nope. We skip it because it doesn't meet our trend confirmation rule. But when a buy signal appears and the price is above the WMA lines, we have a solid entry. Now, for a buy trade, first, enter at the closing price of the signal candle. Secondly, place the stop loss just below the indicator drawn box. And third, use the dashed line from the indicator as your take profit target. Now let's flip it and talk about sell trades. When the price is below both WMA lines and we get a sell signal, that's our cue to enter. Same process. Enter at the candle close, set the stop loss above the indicators box, and use the dashed line for profit taking. Now let's just take a look at just 100 times back and forward testing this strategy on Solana's 15-minute chart, and the results will blow your mind. But before that, I want to tell you something about the best crypto exchange that you can choose nowadays.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
So as you can see, the results are just mind-blowing, and I cannot even believe it. Of course, it is not 90%, but it's so close to it. And who cares? It's awesome. This approach gives us a structured way to trade with clear entry and exit rules. The key to success is backtesting, refining, and managing risk properly. Try it out, adjust it to your needs, and let me know how it works for you. And as I am a man of my word, here are 2 recommended videos on your screens, which you can watch them, learn them, combine them with any trading strategy, including this one that I've just talked about in this video, and make your own trading bot with alerts, and it's all based on ChatGPT suggestions. You can do it with DeepSeek or whatever AI you want, and believe me, you're gonna thank me later. One of these videos just gone viral and is close to 200,000 views, and people are just loving it in the comment section. There is not a single negative comment. Everyone is loving it, so you should try it out, and I hope you're gonna like it. Until next time, happy trading.